channel. So today we're going to be talking about Punta Cana, which is in the Dominican Republic. I was able to go because my friend Nancy graduated and I wanted to take a special trip with her. So we had a lot of fun and I'm definitely going to cover everything that we did in this video. It is going to be presented in the form of a Q&A because some of you were able to ask me some questions on Facebook and Instagram, and so I am going to be covering those today. So the first thing I want to talk about is where did we stay? So we stayed at the Gran Bahia Punta Cana. It is an all-inclusive hotel, which means that we were able to eat as much as we wanted, drink as much as we wanted. There's a lot of tiki bars, a lot of free shows at night, and their pools were phenomenal. It was such a great experience, and I really recommend this hotel if you guys want to check it out. So the first question asks us to talk about the economy. The Dominican Republic is one of the largest exporters of sugar, coffee, and tobacco, with the United States being its largest customer. It also has year-round tourism, and 2/3 of their tourists are also from the United States. In addition, the country has free zone markets, which allow foreign businesses to create manufacturing and service jobs for local residents. So the next question asks us how safe it is, how far it is, and do they use dollars? As far as how safe it is recommended that you stay in the resorts. Certain parts of the country can have high crime rates. How far it is, it's about a 4.5-hour flight from Chicago. And because it is a country that has a lot of tourists, they do accept dollars and euros. The next question says, whenever I watch travel videos for my next destination, I like to know the transportation method they use to get to the activities. Explain the different transportation methods, maybe distance from certain area. That is, this beach is close to downtown hotel area and you can catch local bus or walk 2 miles. Also, for the activities, is this a full day or half the activity? Do you recommend doing this one and then you can squeeze this in? So as far as transportation, as soon as you get to the Punta Cana airport, you can get a shuttle to your hotel, which is about $10 per person, or you can get a taxi, which is about $23 for the car ride. So I recommend getting the taxi. As far as the activities, I would recommend that you do one activity per day because they can be very exhausting. Alright, so the next couple questions are what y'all have been waiting for. How much money does one need to have a real good time? And discuss the costs, the activities, a little history always adds a little wow, useful information, and charm. Alright, so this is a perfect transition into my favorite part of the video because I'm actually going to be showing you live footage from my trip. So the first activity that we did was the boogie tour. You basically get to go on a motorcycle and you get to tour their cacao, coffee farm, and tobacco farms as well. So everything that they're known for exporting. The total cost was about $60 per person. The second activity that we did was to go horseback riding, and we went to Ubero Alto Beach, which is about 40 minutes away from Punta Cana, and you actually get to go horseback riding on the beach.
Ándale, vámonos. ¡Oh! ¡Halo!
This activity was about $60 per person as well. The next activity that we did was tour Altos de Chavon. It is a small town that mimics a 16th century European village. It's completely sculpted out of stone. So as I'm talking about all of the activities that I did, I do have one more question that asks, if you went to different beaches, which beach was your favorite? Also, how safe did you feel and what safety precautions did you take? That question is a great transition into our last activity, which is snorkeling at Isla Catalina. You get to see the Caribbean Sea. It's very clear, very blue, and a lot of the fish that you see swim around you. Altos de Charon and Catalina were actually a 2-in-1 tour. It was an all-day activity and the cost was $110 per person. All of the excursions, we were able to sign up for them at the hotel. We were also picked up and dropped off at the hotel. So the whole experience is very safe. Alright you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your guys' time. If you have any questions about the Dominican Republic, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I will get back to you. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next video.